Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I'm coming to interview one guy in the Philippines. Anyway, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Victor Ekene.
Oh, Victor Ekene. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's pleasure.
Yeah. So, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what are you doing in the Philippines?
Actually, I'm here for study.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but as well, I'm looking for a place if I can fix myself for job. But unfortunately, there is no such thing here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very difficult to find a job in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. We are going to come there, but before we move ahead,
Okay.
why did you choose to study in the Philippines?
Yeah, since I was born, since I was tender,
Oh, okay.
I used to watch Philippine movies. I used to see things about Philippines, the
Okay.
environment,
Oh,
their
okay.
culture, everything is okay. So I dreamed one day I'll be here to partner with them or to do to school here or to do one thing or the other here. That's why when I finish my, actually I'm running my master's degree here. When I finish my first degree,
Oh,
I
okay.
said I must be here to witness what I've already seen in the video.
Oh, okay. Nice
Yeah.
one. Okay, so how long have you been in the Philippines?
It's getting to 2 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, roughly 2 years.
Oh, okay. And what are the challenges you face as a student?
Oh, many challenges. You know,
Okay.
life is kind of ups and down. You know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there are so many challenges here. Though we are trying to cope with the environment because
Okay.
you know in Philippines they have hot weather. Yeah, and it affects many activities here in our home. You
Oh,
know,
okay.
when you don't have something like aircon, it's very hard for you to stay indoor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and other challenges like when you don't have money, it's very difficult for you to cope. But
Oh,
God
okay.
has been faithful.
Oh, okay. But being a student in the Philippines, what are the challenges aside what you've mentioned? Basically, being a student.
Okay, the challenges here, especially this pandemic, yeah, it's very difficult. Maybe applying to school.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why we have to do online classes, but sometimes we have network issues
Oh, okay.
and stuff like that. So it really affects the schedule of our school program.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have been in the Philippines.
Yeah.
What I wanted to ask you this: are Filipino racist?
Yeah, some of them, but not really all.
Oh, okay.
Some of them, they are racist, especially when they see black man. Yeah, when they see black man, some of them used to, maybe they like to scare away from associating with them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's kind of difficult sometimes communication, to communicate. Some of them don't understand English. It's very hard. Why though there are learned ones that can communicate with you very well. So it's okay. It's a welcome environment.
Oh, okay. Then that means I believe there are good Filipinos too
Yeah,
around.
sure. There are good Filipinos around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they are nice people anyway. Just that there are some differences like cultural differences and all the rest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have been in the Philippines. What kind of food do you like? Like,
Oh.
what kind of Filipino food do you like?
Yeah, I love so many Filipinos food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I love to eat soup noodles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, chicken adobo
Oh, okay.
and all the rest.
Okay, so what is your favorite among them?
Chicken adobo
Chicken adobo.
and some vegetables. They have a lot of vegetables here in the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've been in the Philippines. Where in the Philippines have you been so far?
Oh, I've been a lot of places.
Like,
I've been to Manila,
oh, okay.
Quezon City, Pangasinan.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Pampanga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I dream to go places as time goes on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So these are so far. These are the places you've been to, right?
Yeah, I
Oh,
think
okay.
so.
You being around those places, do you face any challenges?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay.
Not at all.
Okay, nice one. So you've been in the Philippines for 2 years, right?
Yeah, roughly 2 years.
Roughly 2 years. Okay. Do you understand Filipino language?
Yeah, I'm learning bit by bit, you know.
Oh, okay.
It's all about gradual process. You know, language is something very difficult to learn.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying my best to cope with the language, and I'm learning. Thank God
okay.
for that.
Nice one, nice one. So what is the common word you know about Filipino language?
Oh, really? Yeah, like I love you, mahakita.
Oh, okay, nice
Yeah.
one. I love you, mahal kita.
Mahakita.
Nice one.
I
nice
love
one.
you so much, mahakita, sobra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice one.
That's my best word.
Oh, okay, nice one.
Yeah.
So, you have been in the Philippines.
Yes.
How is Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines is good.
Okay.
It's a nice place. It's a good environment, though they have hot weather and sometimes very cold. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. It's good. It's a
Okay.
nice place to dwell.
Okay, but I can tell you that it's cold in Baguio.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've not been in Baguio.
I would like
actually.
you to visit that place
Oh,
also.
hopefully.
Yeah, it's very cold in Baguio.
Oh.
So, like, I mean, how is life in the Philippines? Is it good?
Yeah, life in the Philippines, I can tell you, is good.
Oh, okay.
In one condition, especially when you have money in your pocket,
Oh, okay.
you're gonna enjoy life in the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's very difficult when you don't see money in your pocket because you have many bills to pay. You have many things to arrange. You know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so in our previous chat, you were talking about work.
Yes.
I want to ask you: is there work in the Philippines for foreigners?
No, unless you want to establish business of your own.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think there is such opportunity for foreigners to work because even Filipinos, some of them are still lack of job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's very difficult to secure a job in the Philippines as at today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that means it's rather it favors investors,
Yeah, sure.
not individual to come and work.
No, not at all.
Oh, okay. And how about, does it favor foreigners to study here?
Of course, yeah. It's a welcome environment for
okay.
foreigners to study
Oh, okay.
because their mode of academic is very okay. It's very good.
Oh, okay.
So I can recommend that to any foreigner that want to study here in the Philippines.
Oh,
It's
okay.
a very nice place to study.
Oh, okay. But
Yeah.
not in terms of work.
No, not in terms of work
Oh,
because there
okay.
is no job currently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, not in terms of work, but at least if you are an investor, you can come
Yeah,
and
sure.
invest something
Sure,
in the
you
country.
can.
Definitely, you're going to make it.
Yeah, you're
right?
gonna make it big way.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Okay, so you have been in the Philippines. Okay, so I would like you to watch inside the camera and
Okay.
advise people out there who wants to come to the Philippines to either study or to work in the country. What kind of advice are you going to give to them?
Okay. My advice to people around the world that want to come to the Philippines to study
Okay.
or to do business, like investment, is that they can come because the place is very nice. It's okay for such activities.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as they are ready, they get their visa, they come here, they make it very big. It's a nice place to invest, and the mode of operation of their studies is very okay.
Oh, okay.
So they're gonna get what they want as long as Philippines is concerned. Business and schooling is very okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's my advice for anyone that wants to come here.
Oh, okay. So how about individuals who wants to come into this country to work? What will you tell them?
You mean someone wants to come to secure a job in the Philippines?
Yeah.
No, it's a no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a no because there is no work in the Philippines, as I
okay.
stated before. Because even the citizens of the Philippines, they travel different countries in search of job.
Oh, okay.
So I don't think I would advise someone to come to the Philippines to work
Oh,
because
okay.
it's gonna be very hard. Maybe the person might not survive it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you a footballer?
Yeah, not really, but I do watch. I do watch.
Oh, you watch football?
Yeah, I
Okay.
do watch.
Okay, so it will be great to ask you this. In this world, we have two great footballers in the world.
Okay.
Messi and Ronaldo. Who will you choose?
As I stated before, I'm not really a good footballer.
Oh, okay.
But at least once in a while I do watch. I love Messi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice one. And why?
Because he always represent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he always represent.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you this. Do you have a girlfriend in the Philippines?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I wanted you to tell us how is dating life in the Philippines?
Oh, dating life in the Philippines is very good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very nice, you know,
Oh, okay.
especially when you find the right one who understands you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you know, Filipinos, they love so much.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're kind of too jealousy, you know.
Oh, okay.
So you know how you can cope with that when you get a woman that's so much jealous. But I believe that's love, because when a woman is jealous of you, that means she truly loves you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you have to tolerate that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you're talking about this jealous part,
Yeah.
if let's say someone has a jealous girlfriend or a jealous wife,
Yeah.
how does that person cope with, since you have some experience?
When you have a jealous wife or a jealous girlfriend, I think what you're gonna do is you understand any action that he takes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need to understand that and know that the thing she's doing is not really, I cannot say that is intentional, but maybe because of the love that he have for you. So you have to understand that and tolerate her. Because maybe if you say, okay, let me just push you, let me push the girl, you know, it's going to result in another thing. Maybe you start fighting. So all you have to do is understand each other. You flow together. So that's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that is all for now.
Oh, okay.
I would like to end this video here, but before I end this video, do you have any shout out to give to anybody out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
My shout out goes to my homies down here
Okay.
in the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah. Honorable, my number one Katema.
Okay.
I greet you and all my friends around and my baby girl, Izzy.
Okay.
I love you.
And how about the people back home?
Oh, my shout out to my people back home.
Nice
You guys
one.
are wonderful. I miss you all.
Nice one.
I miss you so much and hope to see you guys very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would like you to say this in your language, local language.
Okay.
You are going to tell them to subscribe to my channel. But before we do that, do you have any social media handles?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So that if
Yeah.
someone needs any advice concerning this country, the person can contact you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can reach me on Facebook.
Okay.
I think that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, my Facebook handle is Victor. My Facebook handle is Victor Ekene.
Oh, okay.
Or you can use Vic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that is all for now. But before we end it, I would like you to say subscribe to the channel in your language, in your local language. So go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Umunam. Enchore go no go subscribe na this
Prince One. Yeah. Prince One.
One.
Yeah.
Prince One. Pryn 1.
No, PRYNS1.
Okay, Okay, you subscribe to Prince One.
Yeah, nice
Yeah.
one, nice one. So we're going to end this here, and yeah, my name is Prince again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give some likes and some comments so that we can get it moving. Peace out.
Oh,
Okay,
thank
nice
you
one.
very much, bro. Yeah, wonderful.
Nice one. Nice one.
Okay.